Today, we're diving into the world of Casio timepieces. Let's count down the top 5 must-have Casio watches that combine style and functionality. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Casio A120. Sleek, durable, and packed with features like world time. This digital beauty is perfect for globetrotters who want style on their wrist. At number 4, we have the Casio Duro. Built for adventure, this rugged dive watch is water-resistant and ready for anything. A true companion for those who love the great outdoors. Taking the bronze at number 3 is the Casio CA53W. This classic calculator watch brings back the retro vibes. It's not just a timepiece, it's a fashion statement that takes you back in time. Snagging the silver at number 2 is the iconic Casio F91W. A timeless design, reliable performance, and a budget-friendly price tag. This is a staple for every Casio enthusiast's collection. And now, drumroll please. The gold medal goes to the G-Shock DW560. Tough, rugged, and built to withstand the harshest conditions. It's not just a watch, it's a statement of resilience. There you have it, the top 5 Casio watches that deserve a spot on your wrist. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.